Today we have a lightweight camping chair from the company Edeuoey. Sorry if I pronounced that wrong. This lightweight camping chair is something that I've always wanted for about the last 10 years since working in an outdoor shop. I used to spend hours looking and hoping one day I'll be able to afford these, but for £70 or even more, they were just too expensive and I would have hardly used it. Today I bring you this one though. It's not as expensive as those, so it doesn't pack down as small, but it is still a very, very good camping chair. In the package you get the extra foot and a carabiner clip, and then for building it, it is very, very easy. You undo the Velcro, which is in the middle, pop the legs in, they usually click in due to the plastic, and then you attach the fabric to the chair and literally sit back and enjoy. With this chair, it's not the comfiest, but it's not meant to be. It's there for literally the packing, the size of it and the weight of it. But after a long walk, once you sit down on it, it feels like a cloud. And then it's easily unpacked and packed away again, so you don't have to worry about that. The aluminium used in it is a 70-75 aviation quality, so will withstand up to 16 stone. The fabric is a 900D Oxford fabric with a breathable back mesh. And something that I found, which is quality is not an issue even though for the price. And something I found on a few other brands, when sitting down, they usually tend to spread. So the legs will then move apart and make it very awkward to get back up. However, with this one, once I'd sat down, the chair stood very firm and hardly spread at all. Plus the ground was very, very unstable, so it worked out fantastically. The chair itself does weigh in at 950 grams and comes with the extra foot and the carabiner clip. Due to the weight, it's not the ultimate in lightweightness, but it still comes out as a fantastic alternative and for a fantastic price. If you're hesitating, don't hesitate anymore and go ahead and get one. I would definitely recommend it to any person who is an outdoors type person or an expeditionist.